Yay, you chose pink lipstick. For this video, I'm using The Queen by Charlotte Tilbury. And for lip liner, I'll be using this MAC Trust in Red, which is more of like a deep pink. Well, let's get started. I love the Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks. They're nice and creamy, great pigment, beautiful colors. If you don't have a matching lip liner, you can always use a brush and just grab a little bit of color and fix your edges. But I think this was a perfect match. Well, there you have it, guys. Here is the finished makeup look with the black wing liner and pink lipstick. How do you guys like it? If you do, give it a big thumbs up, and if you want to start all over again, just click on this video. That will bring you right to the introduction. If you want to see what this looked like with red lipstick and you change your mind, you can always watch it here.